you to welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Nike Air Jordan 1 mid grade school. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys the shoes. So let me give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. You got the Jumpman in gold. And right here, you got another gold Jumpman right here on the lower right hand side. And then there's a cutout opening right there. And this side just blink. Go and check out the bottom. It says box made in Vietnam with the recycle symbol right there. And then it says Jumpman Nike Inc. Nike European operation. There's your black box logo sticker right there. Let's go ahead and check out the size. You got the 23 on the lower right hand side on the side, and then the cutout opening. So go ahead and focus on this sticker. This one is the signal blue, black, white. It's a grade school, so it is size 6.5 youth. Retail price on this is $100, and style number is BQ 6931402, and made in Vietnam. Let's go ahead and check out the UPC code right here. And then there's a QR code. Let's go ahead and open this up. On the tissue paper, you got the 23 scattered over this paper. Wow. Got the blue patent leather. It's a pretty glossy finish with the black matte Nike swoosh. And then the wing logo is a glossy finish in black. And you got the black Jumpman with the air on the top of the tongue. And then on the outsole it is black. Go ahead and check out the size label. Let me take out the shoe tree and turn on the flash, because it's pretty dark in there. My monster in there. Alright, that's much better. So you got the blue Jumpman on the insole right there, and it says boy size 6.5 So here's the size on the inner tongue. So this is like a nylon on the tongue. Going to check out the other side. It seems like all the grade school come with this gold German decal or sticker. Little glue right there. Overall, it's pretty nice quality. And then this side got the same thing, blue German with the boy size sticker right there. Size label on the inner tongue. And here's the shoe tree. It says 直, got the German with two of this recycle symbol. This one has a QA-5R, 6 to size 6.5. And it says die cut sock liner. Some of the dimension right there for the box. And then on top of the lid, you have this blue stamp. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.